Fortuna GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. On Monday at 7:30, we will resume the second round of the Betway Premiership. It's number 1, Orlando Pirates. Number 2, Mamelodi Sundowns. Of course, if you look at the full picture, there's Kukuna and Chiefs and someone else at number 5. We're not too far away from there. But if you look at who's signing in this January, it seems as though it's a two-horse battle. I think Orlando Pirates knows that Sundowns is going to come chasing, and Mamelodi Sundowns knows that if Orlando Pirates, if they allow Pirates to get away with it, they could run away with it. Orlando Pirates are leading by 2 points, and they could win. If they win their game in hand, they will extend, or they could extend that by 5 points. It was Mpho Chabatsane this week for Orlando Pirates, signed. Daniel Msendame from the African Cup of Nations signed. And also we know that they'd already signed Andre de Jong. That tells you that these serious teams at the top are signing to strengthen, because it's going to be a serious second round onslaught. For Sundowns, it's Brian Leon, it's Monapole Saleng, and Kulumani Ndamane. In this video, myself and Junior will talk about the second round of the season. Number 1 and number 2 is Orlando Pirates and Sundowns. We see them signing. It kind of tells us that those would be the teams that are battling it out. Junior, thank you very much for joining us, sir. How are you doing?
Yes, sir. Justice.
Justice.
So Vilagazi.
Yes, sir.
Keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no and try to fix that.
Our brother looks fabulous. Justice, can you come and show people how you look? You look fabulous.
Manzinte.
You look fabulous. Just come for 5 seconds.
It's on TV.
Yeah, he's got a TV show every Friday on DSTV, on Mzansi Wetu. And he also, of course, has got one of the best YouTube channels in South Africa. Yeah, just get in the middle. Tell people to subscribe to Disk TV.
Thank you, Mr. Junior. Please subscribe to Diski TV, powered by World Sports Betting.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. He's got one of the best YouTube channels in South Africa.
Yeah.
It's called Justify. Where are you in terms of subscribers numbers? 300,000? 220,000. There you are. You'll get to 500,000 very soon. Maubheka Sundowns Junior ne Pirates ngendlela basayina ngayo, and you, of course, Skukuna na yasayana Lebogang Phiri and other players, but I think that when we see the amount of money being spent kuma signings, we can assume ukuthi Pirates spendile kuma Romo Gallants, ngabomsendame, ngabomPho Chabatsane. We can assume as well that baspendile ku de Jong. We can also assume with Sundowns, of course, they always spend with players. Abo Kulumani, Brian Leon, I think it was reported that it's 3 million euros or pounds. That means over 50 million rands.
53.
Something like that, exactly. Thank you. Uguti, that kind of tells us Uguti, the picture is emerging. Uguti, the fight for the royalty of South African football will be between those two teams. Yeah. What do you make of their transfer windows? And then we'll talk about them fighting for the second round.
Yeah, honestly, inzima kakhulu mfethu. Through these two teams, they've set the standard. Compliment to Sundowns, compliment to Dr. Ivan Khoza, and I promise Sandler would know. I can't be beaten.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a compliment how he has done. It is done very well for the past 2 years. Now last year, I think during this time, we got position 1.
Yeah.
Quality players, young players. When I think compliment the scouting department, Sabo, how they scout these younger players, even to promote in Kulmangabu School, TTC, Team Yabo, Nabo Bumbogaza, Bonkocha, Relebochelem Fouke. The list goes on. And by mixing experienced players that were identified from other team, culture, identity. They hardly lose the culture, the identity of them. Compliment to Orlando Pirates for that. We talked to even cause us in terms of paying those players. In Senkulmama experience, Bonabunduli, Namtechela, Sipumbule, it's not easy. You understand that Van Rooyen, you bring quality players, mixed with the experience, you need to spend money, honestly. Because about the more they perform, Naboguno Gutiba renegotiate. In order for you to keep them, pay them good salary as well. So Sundowns as well already chairman who set the standard long ago. Season players. They hardly play with youngsters. Last month it is Sundowns, they're doing so great in terms of signing these Abu Saling and Alengwenyale Colombia. Well done. And also they've signed now this boy from Undamane from ATX Galaxy. Sure. Well done to them. They mean business, but what about their development? Because they've invested a lot from that. Engine 2 years ago. what about that? But right, ukhulumeni into vital kakhulu. Battle of the two teams in South African football. We can at least say these are the two teams that they're going to compete. Skulma now, gule last 6 months, also next season and the other season. Because Monga Cheka, Pirates Valley gap kakhulu. I'm talking about this season. Now they are sitting on top. Even last year, the gap was not much. So it tells you good now, but they mean business. They said we can't be beaten. We're checking the team selection, the national team now, how many Pirates players that they were there. It tells you Ikala ku club level, the chairman invested a lot. Ama results na phuma. Ngicela ukumpliment anale outward to take out the best out of players. I'm talking about the coach. First 6 months ngimshaya izandla. But in football, it's not how you started; it's how you finish.
Yeah, maintain.
How you finish, maintenance. So it's Sundowns now. They've got couple of players, season players that they were so good, but no longer the same. Yabo, the coach I think gave a virus for me. A team in our web, a team be predictable. Now they play as if everybody can, anyone can beat them. So it's a battle of two teams. It's more of a national team.
Can we kind of scrutinize as well the signings? We look at Sundowns. Saleng makes sense if Bazogazo comes Spanish or Saleng because they were lacking on the right hand side. If you remember, if it was these Portuguese midfielders, they ended up playing Umudao,
Susales sometimes
Susales as well. They would use him. Miguel Raichinho as well, one of the Portuguese, to go on the right hand side. So if they know how to use Saleng, it makes sense that signing will help them there. We don't know much about Brian Leon because, of course, we haven't seen them, but we can see it's an attacker. Yeah. They're strengthening the attack. Now, Pirates as well, let's kind of look at the players that they've signed. Is it to strengthen Guma areas? If you lose Mbogazi, I know Mpho Chabatsane is a good ball-playing, left-footed defender, similar to Mbogazi, but maybe not that aggressive in terms of 1v1 who dominate attackers, but he's a very good ball player. He's comfortable on the ball. So you're patching there, space Mbogazi. It makes sense. Daniel Msendami is available after African Cup of Nations. He did well for Zimbabwe. It's like, okay, it's a good opportunity. Even though there's competition on the left. Because Msendami can play left or right. And already Paris, I think, is covered on the left. Maybe on the right, they're not that covered as well. Andre de Jong as well, let's scrutinize that. Can you see him fit at Orlando Pirates?
Yeah, I think Kulmangala must sign individual. One, Lomfana lo Kulmangala center picture. Yeah. Mpho. Very good center back in terms of comfortability, awareness, technically very good. I'm not too sure about speed. Speed, yes, it's timing, but you need speed. Him, SCM, a similar type of player. And one must defend, one must sweeper. You can't play about players that they more ball watching, comfortable on the ball. They need to defend. That's why there are two center back, right and left center back. So one, he need to be aggressive. True, balancer. These two center back. Ngiyazi uCMA uyiwinile ibhettle yakhe lo muntu acompete naye. Usesane is out of favor. What a good player, but he's out of favor. Now signing this guy, I'm not too sure. Gule. Now, especially with second round, Pela, honestly, Pirates, they need to maintain. And to maintain is going to be difficult. Every play Pirates will want to beat Orlando Pirates. So, it's signing a Lomfana very comfortable as we show as a player. I'm a defensive holding midfield. Yeah,
I'm looking at Unda. Maybe Unda will be the first choice to Ugvalis Skalas Mbogazi. Unda.
Yabona if I see replacement Mbogazi, Lomfana also bang this cut Masamba. Angithi when you sign a player, you don't have to rush him to play. Sure. Not to say replacement Mbogazi. Lapho ngasho ngoba Lomfana yalazi ibhola. Ngimbonile nami. Very good player. That boy is not going to take so long to be in the national team. Once he can progress rush. Unda right. Experienced player who's used to international football, big players. He played with a computer na giant in Nigeria. Unda bebambiza. I remember AFCON last year he was there. Sure. So I understand why Leah injuries unda yamlimaza lesikhathi sithe, but Nda was back. Now Mbogazi yobambile, I believe Nda will play. That's my belief. Nda will play. Mhlambe no CM. Because you can't play another one, Manjabu Sesan is coming a second round. You're going to be tested. And this Unda was on the bench watching obviously these two. You can't, if it's not broken, why changing it? The two boys they were doing well. Marunda at any team. So
it's a good long-term signing.
Yes, it's a good project long. Another one, Diong Star. Ngicela ukubona ingame Star kangaka. Ayala Zipola. Lapha ku number 10 kule position. Pirates yenze kahle by bringing this guy because how he's so comfortable ngikhuluma decision making, scoring goals, akusumuntu one-speed, but Pirates is a positional team. Ikwazi ukusecurity bowler. So I think uzobanceda with that. So what about ngiyazibuza ngabo Kabelo Dlamini, and because banama players adlala kule position
in that area.
Yeah. So kunama player that
even Tito needed time for
even Tito, and then I check with Tito now, he's no longer himself. You understand that? That's why he was not even called up for a national team. So signing with Young, Pirates eliminated some other players about their position. They can't bring Young and sitting on benching. So it's gonna sometimes even this guy Sepambule Pirates with Lalade. Don't mean I believe it's a central midfield to Sip. So it's a good signing. Utiong uzobanceda, experienced player as well. Very good player mfethu. Yalazi ibhola leyangam, he bring individual brilliance as well. Go on Pirates, he can be a team player, he can score goals. So uzobanceda is experienced player. He's not a youngster.
Where are you going to place Udanel Msendame? Is he playing on the left? Is he playing on the right? Because it looks like Wonkama Winga Pirates are on right. They just want to play on the left. All of them want to play on the left.
He's not the right wing. One of the best talent in witness from Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, the similar players come up with knowledge. They play similar like us. We understand. Angaz bani academy, ebuya lapha. Very technically good, dynamic, skillful players. Ngibona lengwenya le scorile manje ngeAFCON le lande this guy Mbogazi.
Maswanisa.
Le dlala kulezi
Scotland.
Scotland. So they've got those type of players. Sure. So truly speaking, I don't like him on wing, both. And I like him as a striker.
Play him as a striker.
That's me. Very good player, making no mistake. Experience, he can compete. Go highest level. I've called my reaction. Bamdlalisa left cutting in. La Pamanul Bamba too much, man. It's more of individual player. Nyas Nyachandu individual presence, but Ulbamba too much. Lago striker very dangerous. In the Pirates, aggressive. He can score goals. Yeah, to rise up to the occasions.
So good signing overall, Pirates.
Yeah, I think good signing, but the final center pick, they can't use him now. Maybe it's a longer.
All right, let's look at the Sundown signings. Of course, Saleng was obvious. We spoke about him last week, that they kind of need him if they know how to use him. Brian Leon, we can't talk much about him because he's an attacker, but we've not seen him. Lendwano Kuluman and Damane, were they lacking at the back that they need a center back?
Sundowns they discount Ukrenkekana. They Tulibusa. Very good center back, left center back. This experienced player. I think they're gonna get rid of him. Yabo, job about bringing this boy. I realize the ball and fan bamle chile Chess Galaxy. I think he plays the way Sundowns dlalanga corner. Obviously Ukraine to let aggressive, obviously izoba balance. Mhlambe bazoyidlalisa ka left. But the Champions League and also iPetwe Premiership. I think it's a good signing for Sundowns. Ngibona no national team how we respond, very good player. Makadlala Mbogazi lapha. Mnandi kakhulu uyakwazi ukuphasa bit hard now, but unenkinga pace naye ngimbonile. Unenkinga pace. If uthola strikers runner behind him, but very good signing for Sundowns. I think ishayile izandla there because but compete ku Champions League also Betway Premiership. He's more of a season player lo mfana ngoba ukhulile nasenqoneni ngimbonile na ku national team. So good signing.
All right. Let's look at the bigger picture then. Let's go back to the second round. Paris has an advantage of game in hand, 2 points ahead. The other big advantage that they have, although they don't like this, but they are out of the Champions League. They were out early. And I'm sure Paris fans don't like that. They would have loved to continue just like last season. But it's an advantage if you are competing with Sundowns, who's going to play Tuesday, Sunday, Tuesday, Sunday, Tuesday, Sunday. This is the second round. Let's try and analyze the second round unfold in terms of Pirates, not too many matches. So this coming week, for example, is Sundowns Soibuga Idlalane Orbit College Monday.
Monday, yes.
Because Friday is Idlalane Al Hilal with Champions League.
I saw it.
And then Ipinde Fotibuye Neskukune midweek because the weekend Tuesday, yeah, so it's gonna be Tuesday, Sunday, Tuesday, Saturdays. It's scheduled for Sundowns less, including in the Nedbank Cup as well. Yeah. Let's look at that because now we go into the second round and it looks like the picture is between these two clubs.
Yeah. Sometimes they've got experienced players.
Let's first start with Pirates and the advantage of a rest with Pirates.
Yeah.
Whether or not you think Sundowns will win or not. Let's look at how it will help Pirates Ugungadlali Tuesday weekend.
First, the Pirates in advantage. They've got one game in hand, but they're stealing at 2 points.
Sure.
Now, which has a belief bazoyina the game in hand. They're going to win it. Babena 5 points. And Pirates ban advantage because we rest. They are out of Champions League, which is believe with Babasana player because of Champions League and Betway Premiership.
100%.
And there's a difference between a cup and a Betway Premiership. In marathon, it's Betway Premiership. You need to maintain. You need to be consistent. Nkuluma play individual, also as a team, and as a coach as well. So Pirates have got the advantage, true, for now. I'll be honest. And is a advantage with rest because here now Sundowns is depend with my manager and Janama player. I'm talking about the rest because now you've got Sundowns that they're playing. But Monday will be playing Friday. It's got to train us over.
Yeah, Monday, Friday, and then Skukuna midweek. Best of football hammer by Sudan after that.
But sometimes they've got the Scottish Power cool. They are players. It's just the amount of Scottish Power. Talking about men's fitness. If you compete in the Champions League, you need red players, all of them. You understand? I'm not too sure about the coach. We manager Lumchitalo Esngshilo. I mean, I don't think man this season. Once this guy Gulama came out 2-3, I don't think we'll see.
Why would they wait until he mess up the season? If assuming what bazoyenza a decision, Coach Pizzo, why would they wait until because even there's a transfer window where the coach that you wanted would have signed players. Why would they allow this one to continue if he's not going to be there long term?
If you can lose good Champions League, that guy, he came A1 Champions League. Even Betway Premiership or lose, is in big trouble.
Yeah, he's under pressure already.
He's very under pressure. Fans and technical team. There's no smoke without fire. So, just to go pendula, sometimes they've got the Scottish by experienced players, but now they're not being themselves. Coach, I understand. I'm a players who are players. They're not performing the way they used to. They look predictable, too slow. How they build up. I'm a player that they're dynamic individual up front. Yes, also about to selling, but they go fit like a tough. We understand also somebody lotion struggling how to play to Sundowns.
Yeah.
As long as as usual, Pirates they allow him to go and receive him there by the corner one, taking somebody on. As I was correct, at Sundowns you need to combine.
Yeah.
So if they know how to use him, not on the right hand side, on the left hand side. As a wing, but according to his strengths, ngoba speed, ukwazi ukukhoba ibhola, badlale behind him. Ngoba akusumuntu ozocombine, also more of a team player. Makadlala ka left as a wing. Umetus need to compete with him. And then mabakwazi ukumsebenzisa ngoba maybe angabanceda. Ngoba signing yakhe kayi2. It might work, it might not work at Sundowns. Ngoba badlala la. It's more of a ball carrying team as sharing a ball and then you surprise opponent. So ispeed sakhe singabanceda. Okanye mhlambe kube disadvantage for Sundowns as usual. So this guy we don't know much of him.
Striker.
Yes, the striker. Bring him no Sales bamletha ngenyuke ebhaya. Sabana my expectation. Manje ngathi improve Sales especially on this season. But first season it didn't improve. Mina azange ngibone le amount bebakhuluma ngayo ngibona ngayimithanga. Yes, this season I will compliment him but there's more. As an international player ngifuna more from him. You understand? So Sundowns banama season player nkuleko. I think the experience plays a major role from them. Ngikhuluma ngaba bomkwena, uthoka about umdawu, uthoka about umdiba ngizwile umdawu bakhuluma about the rumor is already off.
Well, the thing is until basichazele ukuthi usignile because manje uyaphela uJanuary uzosala 5 months.
Yeah.
Until the Sundowns comes out and say we have now extended the contract,
Yes.
then there will be no rumor. Okamanje makusele 5 months and you has now because you're a professional player. Ukuthi if there's 5 months left, that means you can sign with anyone.
You can sign with anyone. But umdawu head is back ureportile phulukwane ngerumor.
Well, he's a professional player. He has to go and train.
Yeah.
But akusho ukuthi
You can't sign with another
yeah,
team.
because
Or
it's-
sign ngane Paris.
exactly, or a pre-contract or
Yeah.
something like that. Yes, as a professional, he's going to play.
Yes.
I want to take you to a space of Pirates has this advantage, but Sundowns, of course, knows how to do it.
Ngisho kanjani?
But I don't want us to go to who's going to win. I think that's irrelevant. We'll talk about it when we get there.
Yeah.
Labo match. Do you think the advantage of Sundowns, mangabe baya persista ngomqeqeshi uKadoso, do you think the advantage yabo yabadlali abana experience izokwazi ubakhera under uKadoso? So does it matter ukuthi Coach Pizzo joins or he doesn't join? Let's assume Sundowns uqhubeka ngoCoach Kadoso. For now, we have to be professional. They have not announced anything. For now, baqhubeka ngoKadoso. As they are fighting against the Pirates, any advantage yokuthi ayidlale ku-continental football, do you still think Sundowns maybe will help experience yabo izobanceda ukuthi bakwazi ukufight on the Pirates?
Yeah, the coach mfethu complicate izinto kakhulu. Honestly, ebane disadvantage, not advantage with that coach because how they play, everybody feels like he can beat Sundowns.
Yeah,
True,
good point.
and we can't lie. In fact, watching them now, we cannot speak Sundowns they are beatable now currently. Bakorega, every time they play, it look like they're gonna concede a goal. The coach doesn't know how to use his players. Ushana reaction from the bench. If he concede, it's worse to come and react. Only advantage Pirates, but the coach was winning game from the bench.
Yeah, 100%.
And they've got speed. They've got individual players, and he can play. We was good to be a team. Now overrated in Togimshadi Zandla go first round. Only advantage to the coach. What his players always younger. They are coachable, energetic. One of the best attacking team in Africa as a continent, according to me. Babugeli Labole Khriboban and younger players. You understand? It's just that you're funny consistent. They've got advantage based on Cardoso when he's there, based on how we approach game tactically. Ungadlaling a right wing forward, ungadlaling a wing forward. Again, Matthews play him week in and week out.
At what point are you going to think that it's too late? So, Manju, even me, I could agree with you that if maybe Coach Peter was there, it's a 2-point gap. It could be a fight. It would be an interesting fight. I just want to see a fight. I don't want to see the same team winning the league all the time. But if they persist Sundowns, Coach Cardoso, February, March, at what point will it be too late for even interim coach, even Coach Steve Kompela Mhlambe, abe interim March because they are out of the Champions League? At what point would you think it's too late? Because for now, you can understand if they can make that change now, you can see the swing, which maybe the players will be motivated, maybe it will be the Sundowns of the past, but there's going to be a point where you lose that opportunity. If you uqhubeka naye January, February, by March, maybe it might be too late.
Yeah, I think February angeka phele unless just
because they make their own decisions in management.
Yeah,
they can decide.
February uzoba late kakhulu ukuthi aphele mfethu. It's a bit late kakhulu because this guy angabi convinced mina with this Cardoso guy. I'm not too sure even Ngiyazi Obit is a small team, but they can be so difficult for them because it's so predictable team how he coach players. In Kulmang team has overall Sundowns. In fact, the Sundowns like they keep possession without the purpose. They can't score goals. They're scoring very difficult. Ngabonile badlala ne this team le yabo Chekili Toaba. I think it's not the Obit College. Makesi struggle at night. Now they play against Israel before December. AFCON start, almost losing the game. Every game that he plays, I'm a chance is about giveaway like from other team. Good, I'm a chance about Tati lao my team. Nkuluma ngayo Yoni Makesi nkuluma ngayo bo Swelele. I mean, it's sometimes being a koso. We knew Gucci they look organized always and they can score and as many as they can, and also security ball a bit quicker. But now if the Sundowns they're too terrible. I need to be honest to you. So end of February. I think February mangapela. It's going to be too late.
Yeah, it might be too late to swing it.
Because the Pirates will be
the Pirates, if you're Kubera, getting those points.
Yeah.
And of course, this thing of not playing Africa.
Yes.
Let's wrap it up then. Skukuna and Chiefs are not far away, but I wouldn't put my money on them. Yes, Skukuna is strengthening. Signable Lebogang Piri, and I think Mujela is there as well, and some of other players as well. Chiefs is quiet. They're not moving forward in terms of this window. My question to you is, we are assuming it's a 2-horse race. Last year it was a 2-horse race. The year before it was a 2-horse race. Can you see any possibility of any of these teams who are 4 points away now Baba's final picture?
One, Bengpe Utupuso, the Chejani, Chiefs will sign him. Mlesane, a rumor as there's nothing official. Bengpe Utism sign. Also sign a proper goalkeeper. Bengi Peggy show. I'm talking about Kaizer Chiefs just to answer you. Bengpe Utiso sign number 10. Lamfana Puso can play as number 10 as well. Can play wing left, right. Bengi Peggy. We understand. And I was looking at them also strengthening. indaba yama wing forward not kubomodi not kubanibani relying because it's not working. Yes, Abulilepo they are good, but ababayisi phambili not they there's nothing going forward. If already njengoba usho kanje, if they wanted to compete, mina bengibheka uLipuso, ngibheke this guy Molesane, I thought they're gonna bring to gonna go Kaizer Chiefs, maybe breaking the account. Nyazi with Sundowns won't give them this guy Mkhulisi because abamsebenzisi break account, they've got money. Mina bengibhekile ukuthi bazoyenza lawo signing, but now
Mabuane is a partner.
Need one of the best kule push
He's been doing so well actually.
Eshaya
doing
yalazi
so well.
pho.
In
Nenye
his-
into environment ugelezile lapha
in his
uiprovile naye
apartment.
bengekho so
I was surprised that he was doing so well.
so just ukuphendula right, the battle of two teams.
And Utingla, you don't see him as well.
I think yalazi ibhola, but it's going to end up 3-4. 3-4. You can't compete with Pirates and Sundowns. Khuluma on national team, they be the AFCON now. Those players, they're highly motivated individual for good baby there. Also being coached, so it's going to be difficult. Beaten a second round West Part. So think that my team among foot and over difficult for him.
Yeah, they
Now
beat
you will
him.
lose.
Yeah, they beat him.
If I'm a Kaizer Chiefs, these two my team among jive. Sign proper players and quality players. Ngiyamthanda uThinkla, but I'm not too sure na akekho consistent. Ngisho kuSikhukhune ngoba kuyaba ne chance ukudlala la.
Yeah, he was number one for a while.
Yeah,
And
ukuyaba
then
ne
he started
chance. I love
dropping
him,
points.
but to shy consistency now. So it's a battle of two teams. As ukuphendula, we can't angeke ngibabali Chiefs and Sikhukhune ku
It's
number
a
1 and
pity.
2.
Do you know what's interesting is that currently in the log, the Chiefs, the Skukune, they're only 4 points away from that picture. They're not far away. And if Chiefs were being coached by a coach Peter Musimane, say for example, and Skukune was being coached by a coach Rulani Mukwena or any other coach, clever, they will be like, as long as I'm in this picture, as long as ngahlala emva kwalaba, when these ones are still thinking that they are only fighting amongst themselves, Pirates on 28 points, Sundowns on 26 points, Chiefs and Skukune, they are on 24. They're not too far. They are 4 points away. As long as they can just stay there, stay consistent, maybe Hlanganisa is 5 wins out of 10 or 6 wins out of 10, now where you could find yourself in the picture.
Yeah, all right. Bring maybe Chiefs coach by Rulani Mkwena nje busho.
Like,
Thinkla
clever coaches.
Ayalazi ball. They think again, but just bring players abanga. But sometimes the coaching in a limit. Players they need to solve problem on the pitch.
Yeah.
Mount quality can solve problem for you. If these teams are allow I choose Sikhukhune and Chiefs, that players who can bongarela as a coach and say, mini coaching yami izoqala la iphelele la. And then I'm a player that can win games for me. And then Bozochi definitely show naming na chance of winning league. But now we talk about now they're competing against team number 1, the Champions League. Also a contender of Betway Premiership. And A1 get on top, which is Orlando Pirates. Players that were dominating in national team playing regularly. So so it might as well, I mean, the two young about him ngikhuluma Chiefs and Sikhukhune kula ma team ayithi it's going to be difficult even playing against Pirates on Sikhukhune or playing against Sundowns noma ngabe uCurious akekho right mhlambe ke by luck they can get the draw but not beating them ngikhuluma Sundowns because of the coach, but players at Sundowns they can win games for themselves. I don't see these two teams bahlala lapha ku 1 and 2. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 probably those teams they can go there.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. It's an interesting second round that's about to start. It will start on Monday. Of course, the African Cup of Nations is playing this weekend. And then on Monday at 7:30, it will be Mamelodi Sundowns against Orbit College. We'll be here, of course, doing what we always do, covering football matches. And you will be here, of course, to watch us and give your views as well. We've given you a very interesting topic about what might happen in the second round. What do you think will happen in the second round? Of course, everyone wants their team to be in that picture. It's an interesting picture because it's being led by Orlando Pirates. They could be 5 points ahead if they win their game in hand. Mamelodi Sundowns are playing continental football. Pirates are not. Skukune and Chiefs are not far away from that, but you get a sense that because they're not signing top-class players this January. Skukune, of course, they always sign every transfer window. So they've signed maybe 4 or 5 or 6 players. We've seen their announcements. But could those players drive them to gate crash that party, yes, Sundowns, in the Orlando Pirates? And Chiefs as well, being the big team that they are, keeping quiet, folding their arms in the transfer window, even though they're only 4 points away. 4 points away, because it's a window of opportunity. And back in the day, old school coaches used to look at things. Coaches would win things that they're not deserving to win or not supposed to win in terms of the strength of their squad, because they got themselves to be within 3 points or 4 points. If you think about Ajax Cape Town under coach Gordon Egerson, and they lost to Orlando Pirates the league on the last day. That team is a young team, Ebatulani Serrero, Tyson Tlachuayo, and so many other players as well. They were not supposed to be in that picture, but they get themselves in the picture because they look at opportunities, especially a coach like Gordon Egerson would look at opportunities and say, in the next 10 matches, if I can just take 6 out of them and then draw the others or lose 1 or 2, then I get myself in that picture. The second round is promising to be interesting. Itiski TV with Tso Vilakazi, Junior Kanye, myself, Ubobo, Shane, and the rest of the team of Justice as well will be here to carry you and tell you the story of the second round. Thank you very much for watching us.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me Tso. Niyazi bafethu, amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.